45 to 70. So the rule with multiplication is I can just put everything under the same radical sign. So I'm just, because this is a 2 and this is a 2, means I can just put them under the same radical sign. So it's really 15 times 7 PQR, and here 15 times 7, I have no idea what it is, 105. And I want to say, can I take anything out? Well, 105 is 15 times 7. 15 is 3 times 5. I have to have groups of 2 to be able to take anything out, and there is no group of 2, so that's my final answer. Okay, so this has the same root, the root 3, so that means I can put them all under the same root sign. So it's 6x times 7y. Now you don't have to write that step if you don't want, you can just write it right away. And 42 is equal to 6 times 7, and that's 2 times 3. And because it's the third root, I have to have groups of 3 to be able to take something out, and I don't. And my x and y, there's only one of them each, so that's my final answer. Okay, next one. Oops, I'll move it like this. So there's a negative in the front, but I'm just going to ignore it. I'm going to separate it, then put the negative back in front. So this is the square root of 9, which is 3. Square root of 49 is, what times what is 49? 7. And then put the negative back in front. Okay, and this is the same, but now it's with the third root. Well, this is a prime number, so I can't do anything with that, so it stays. And then I have to go, what times what times what is 8? So I just check if I don't know. 2. There. Oh, and this one here, it's the same. It is the 9th root. Oops, that's an n. So in order to be able to take anything out of this one, I have to have groups of 9. Well, that's a group of 9. So I can just take that out and I have n. And because this is only one m here, and I need a group of 9, I can't take anything out, so this is my final answer. Last one. Okay. To be able to take anything out, I need groups of 2. So let's look at my x first. If I have 6 x's, I can take out 3 groups. So I can take this out and put x3. Let's look at my y. So y, there's 15. There's 15, and I have to be able to have groups of, oops, I made a mistake. It's groups of 2, not groups of 3. I did do groups of 2. Okay, so here, for 15, I need groups of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and one little y has to stay. So I can take out 7 groups. Oops, so that should be a y to the 7. And now let's look at the number. Well, let's just make a tree diagram here. 252. Let's divide it by 2. I don't know what that is divided by 2, so let's check. 252 divided by 2. 126 divided by 2. Divide that by 3. Oops. It's 21. And that's 3 and 7. So to take anything out, I need groups of 2. So here's a group of 2. Here's a group of 2. And so the 7 has to stay, but I can take out a 2 and I can take out a 3. Okay. One group of 2, one group of 3, and the 7 has to stay. So really I have 6. There. So this always tells us the size of groups in order to take things out.